If you've been following us for any amount of time, you might be wondering where our name Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters comes from and what it means. That's actually a really interesting question. We get it quite often, and it actually goes back to ancient Greek. Hello, my name is Laura, and I am the owner of Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters, and along with my husband Rob, we started this company in 2018, and we thought we would take a look today at the origins of our name. According to dictionary.com, the word jot traces its etymological origin back to the Greek letter iota, which looks like this. Kind of looks like our letter I. The iota is the smallest letter in the Greek alphabet, just like the yod is the smallest letter in the Hebrew alphabet, and it looks like this. As for tittle, the Merriam-Webster dictionary defines it as a point or small sign used as a diacritical mark in writing or printing. Basically, this is saying any small mark in text, kind of like the dot on a lowercase j or I. So if you combine the jot, which is also known as the iota, with a tittle, you're going to get a lowercase I. The phrase jot and tittle is even found in the Bible in Matthew 5:18, which says, "For assuredly I say to you, till heaven and earth pass away, not one jot or one tittle will by no means pass from the law till all is fulfilled." When I saw this verse in the Bible, I knew that jot and tittle was perfect for us because jot and tittle represents the philosophy that undergirds who we are. It's a reminder that the smallest mark, the simplest forms of writing matter. And no matter where you are in your writing journey, it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you put your words to paper.